up, guys? I'm Blakemore from SummitGuitarSchool.com. This, as you already know, is Raccoon by the Beatles. If you're a Beatles fan and you play guitar, this is a must learn. It's not terribly difficult. There's a few different chords in there, and there's kind of a country little like boom chick thing that goes on, which is definitely something you can apply to many songs. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the lesson. If you enjoy the video and you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing. Share the video where you like to share videos, and yeah, hit us up on our Facebook and Instagram page. We really appreciate the support. I will see you next time. All right, so let's talk about the chords of the song. You're going to start with an A minor 7th, but you can easily get there if you know your A minors. You just get your regular A minor chord. That's open 2, 2, 1. So that's 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd string. Strum from the 5th down. What I do is I just get rid of my 3rd finger. That's your minor 7th chord, but they want the song, you can hear this note up here, this G on the 1st string. I use my pinky there. That makes it a little trickier to play, but it sounds, that's what they do in the song, so that's what you should do, or should aspire to do. If you're not feeling that and it hurts your hand, well, suck it up. Figure it out. All right, so that's an A minor 7th, and then you go to a D7 sus. So your index and your pinky can stay, and then you just drop your index, your middle finger from the 2nd fret 4th string to the 2nd fret 3rd string. All right, and you strum from the 4th down. It should sound like this. All right, and then you do like a measure of that, and you drop your pinky to your 3rd finger, which is the 2nd fret 2nd string, at F sharp. All right, and then you've got a G7 chord like this. So it's like if you know your standard C chord, it's just spread out. So you put your 3rd finger 6th string 3rd fret, middle finger 2nd fret 5th string, index 1st fret 1st string. That's kind of another tougher chord, kind of a stretch there, but if you haven't done it before and it hurts your hand, you need to maybe stretch it out and then just keep going, man, because we're here to make progress. So you got G7, all right, and then you do go to a regular C. Well, that's kind of easy to get to because here's your G7, then you drop your fingers 1 string towards the floor, 3rd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string, and then your index comes up to the 2nd fret, or 1st fret 2nd string, just like that. Okay? And then when you do this chord, you switch to what they're going to call a G, what we'll call a C/B. You're going to put your middle finger, you keep your C shape, keep your index on that 1st fret 2nd string. Your middle finger will go to that 2nd fret 5th string, and then your pinky drops to that 3rd fret 1st string again. And that's your walk down. And then when you're at this C/B, your pinky on that 3rd fret G 1st string, you drop your middle finger to that A minor 7th chord again is what you start over with. It just loops around and around. Your middle finger drops to that 2nd fret 4th string, and you play it like so. All right? So now let's talk about the strumming pattern. You got to pluck an individual note and then you strum. All right? So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's why I'm doing it, because I want to keep it simple. They're kind of, you know, once you get to a certain point in your strumming pattern, like knowledge and your confidence level, you can mix it up, and that's what they're doing on the recording. But we're going to keep it the same throughout so that anybody can learn this tune. So, but to make it sound more like a song, you do have to strum the individual note of the 5th string, and then you do your strumming pattern. So it's like you get your A minor 7th, okay, and you go down on the 5th string, and then you go down, up, down, up. So down, 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 up, down, up. That's it. So down. It doesn't matter if you get the 5th string again after that. In fact, it probably sounds fuller. But so the idea is to go down, 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 up. That's the pattern. Just practice. You've got to pluck the individual notes. Kind of a country vibe there, but not. I don't know. So that's the pattern. Down, 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 and then you drop your middle finger back, right? And then you pluck the 4th string open. And you do the same thing for your D7 sus. So, and you do the individual note again, but you drop your 3rd finger the 2nd time you go through the pattern. All right, so let's do both of those again. So 5th string open, down, up, down, for the A minor 7th, down, down, up, down, up, down, open again. Then you drop your middle finger down for this D sus here, and you're gonna pluck the 4th string open. All right, and then you drop your 3rd finger to that 2nd fret 1st string. go straight to your G7. Remember, that's 3rd fret, 6th, 2nd fret, 5th, 1st fret, 1st string. All right, and you do the same thing, except you got a bigger strumming area to get to. So you got, and it sounds really good to get that bass note in there. So do it, because that's how it sounds like the song. So like that, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, individual note, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you go to the C. You just drop it in, 3rd fret, 5th, 2nd fret, 4th, open, 1st fret, 2nd string. And you go 5th string by itself for that C bass note. This is the trickier move. You got to keep your index, middle finger goes to that 2nd fret, 5th string, pinky goes to that 3rd fret, G, 6th string, 1st string, sorry. So that's C. And then to transition to A minor 7th, it's pretty simple, adjust that microphone there. Then you drop your middle finger back, and you're doing it again throughout the entire song. Yeah, I mean, that's really how it goes. So I'll play through it. So you got the 5th string by itself, then you got the A, so this is the A minor 7th, 5th string by itself for the root, 5th string again, then the strum, then you drop your middle for the D7 sus, D open, down, up, down, up, down, up, D open again, drop your 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 1st string for the regular D7, and then you go to G7, go to the C, and then you drop your middle finger, 2nd fret B for the 5th string, pinky on the 3rd fret G, 1st string, and that's, dropping my pick. So that's how the song goes. It's twice today. Some days you never drop a pick. Some days you drop it more than once. C, C/B, and when you get to the fast piano thing at the end, you literally can just play the same. Literally, you just kind of speed up and do it double time. That's how it goes.